Yo, what is going on, guys? Welcome back to the best Shopify YouTube channel out there. I'm Shri Kanase, and in this video, we're going to be talking about something a bit different. And that something is mindset. What is the best mindset to have when running an e-commerce store and an e-commerce brand? I believe having a solid foundation before even starting your e-commerce store is a really important thing. And for us, our main foundations are our website and our mindset. Because without a proper mindset, no matter how much money you have to invest into the business, you're not going to be able to find the success that you want. So the first step in really attaining the success that you want and making it long term is changing your mindset. So stick till the end to figure out exactly what I mean by mindset. But without wasting any more time, let's just jump right into the content. So when you hear the word entrepreneur or online e-commerce entrepreneur, what comes to mind? Now, there's a very famous saying by one of the best entrepreneurs in the world, the $50 billion man, Pena. And this man said entrepreneurship is basically the ability to endure pain for long periods of time. And I could not agree more with that. As you've already probably faced, entrepreneurship is not an easy path with tons of bells and whistles and Lambos standing outside the door. It's a lot of sleepless nights spent, a lot of sadness, a lot of anxiety, a lot of depression, and a lot of self-doubt. Entrepreneurship is not easy, but the one entrepreneur who makes it till the end is basically the one who can endure that pain for long periods of time. And there are a few key contributing factors to success when it comes to entrepreneurship. And all of the things that I'm mentioning right now in this video are all things I learned from watching other people and also reading tons of books on the topic. But over and over, whoever has come into entrepreneurship or started their own online store, including myself, I've noticed that these key contributing factors are somewhat the same. In reality, we are very similar to each other. Even though we may think that our situations are different, they're pretty much not that different, and all of the solutions that someone else applied can be applied to your own business as well. But the first key contributing factor to success is that you give a small or large portion of your day to your dream or your business. And you want to be doing at least one positive thing every single day that will help you move forward every single day. You may think one positive thing, if I don't do it today, I mean, it's not going to make much of a difference. My life isn't going to end tomorrow. And you're absolutely right. Your life isn't going to end tomorrow. But once you start skipping doing that one positive thing every single day, you deviate further and further away from your dreams and goals. Remember, there's 365 days in a year. And if you do one positive thing every single day for an entire year, you're going to be 365 times much more successful and much more ahead than your previous self. Remember, the biggest thing that not even money can buy is time. So when you do one positive thing at the least every single day, time will basically play in your favor and you will start achieving success over time. That one positive thing can be scheduling that Facebook ad to run, or that one positive thing can be scheduling an ad with that Instagram influencer, or it can be watching that one educational video, or subscribing to my YouTube channel, which is one of the biggest investments you can make in yourself. So make sure to smash that subscribe button down below. But you need to get in the habit of doing something that takes you towards your goal every single day and keep at it every single day. No matter whether it is raining or pouring or you feel sick, keep one thing in mind that you want to do every single day and do that every single day without stopping. But along with doing one thing every single day, you need to be sure about exactly what you're doing. You don't just want to be pretending to work or keep yourself busy and think, oh, I'm accomplishing a lot today, when in reality, you're not accomplishing anything. Some things that I like to ask myself anytime I'm doing work is the task I'm doing right now helping me get towards my goals? Or is it just something that's going to keep me busy and not really attribute to my success? When you ask yourself that question, your brain really starts working in your favor and starts really dissecting every single thing that you do every day. So if your Shopify store is not where you want it to be, you need to ask yourself whether the things that you do every single day are really things that are helping you get ahead in the game or just keeping you busy. So again, just don't pretend to be working, but actually think about what you're doing and see if that's taking you towards your goal. And this brings me to my next point, which is while you're doing the things that you should be doing, you should not be jumping from one thing to the next. This is one of the biggest problems I currently see even with my mentoring students, where they just want to jump from one product to the next or one advertising platform to the next. one day they're not achieving the greatest success with Facebook ads and they're like, all right, Facebook ads isn't for me, I'm moving on to Google. And then the other day, Facebook starts to really bring them sales. So they're like, screw Google, I'm going back to Facebook. This is a destructive mindset that will lead you nowhere besides to failure. It's just like a marriage or a relationship. Would you really be just jumping around from partner to partner every single day, or would you rather want something that is long term? If you want something that is long term, you have to put work into it and make sure that it is long term. And that's only done if you take care of what you already have. So instead of just blaming it on the system, saying Facebook ads doesn't work for my product and thinking that your product is different from anybody else's, really try to understand why something doesn't work for you and what you can do about it. That is the best mindset you can have when it comes to e-commerce, and that will really contribute to your success. And to really decide whether you have really understood whether something works for you or not is to get at least 1,000 clicks on your ads within that specific platform. Now, I like to go by the 1,000 rule. If I have 1,000 clicks on my ads and I do not have any purchases, I will move on to the next platform, because after a while, you just start to understand that some things are just not right for your business. But that should not be done after spending $25 or $30 and not getting results. That's not how it works. You need to have an abundant mindset. Stop getting sad or depressed over $20 lost or $30 lost and start thinking long term. Nobody said doing business was easy, because if it was, everybody in business would be a millionaire or billionaire. So you really need to take specific decisions when it comes to your business, which can actually help you move forward instead of just put you at the path where you're at and not help you at all. But to recap, entrepreneurship is basically the ability to handle pain for long periods of time, because again, entrepreneurship is not bells and whistles and Christmas time all the time. It is a lot of hardships and failures. But there is a proven path to success with your online store or business in general, and that is taking at least one positive step each day towards your goals. It can be anything, but as long as you do that thing every single day, you can be happy knowing that you're moving forward and not staying where you are. But in addition to that, you want to make sure that the work you're doing is going to yield some types of results in the near future or the late future, not just something that's keeping you busy, because busy work does not lead to success. It is just a form of laziness. And to really understand whether you're just keeping yourself busy or not, you really got to ask yourself profound questions which you can answer yourself deeply. And one cool way to find success with anything you do is not just jump around from one thing to the next and follow by the 1,000 rule, which is getting at least 1,000 link clicks or 1,000 purchases or whatever you want to go by, but make sure it follows the 1,000 rule. And really make sure you gave it your all before moving on to the next platform. But this was just a quick video on mindset training. If you did like this video, let me know down in the comment section so that I can continue making videos just like these ones. But don't forget to smash that like button down below, and I'll see you guys next time.